In this question, you're given that A is a set containing element x such that x square is equal to 4, and B is a set containing element x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. You're asked to find A union B. So to find A union B, first I'll try to find A and I'll try to find B. So let us convert my set A into roster form. So this is a set builder form which is given. So set A is a set containing the element x whose square is equal to 4. So x square is equal to 4 means x is equal to plus or minus 2, right? That means A contains two elements plus 2 and minus 2. And what is B? B is a set containing x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So again, this is a very straightforward quadratic equation. So what are the x's that satisfy this equation? You know how to factorize this. So if you factorize this, you get x minus 2 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. So you know how to factorize this in your lower classes. So x is equal to either 2 or 3. So the set B is a set containing 2, 3. So A is plus or minus 2, B is 2 or 3. So what is A union B? You need to combine both these sets. So you get minus 2 plus 2 and 3. So you have to write the common elements only once. You cannot write them twice. So the answer is option D.